going on, guys? As you all know, we've just launched our new OxyMax Kit. Now comes with the Precision Torch, the Pro Torch and the Power Torch, all neatly stored in the caddy. So today I'm just going to show you a quick guide how to correctly take your torches in and out of the caddy. There is a little bit of a trick to each of them. We just want to make sure that your torches stay secure for you out in the job and the caddy remains protected for you as well. Let's start with the Precision Torch. The easiest way to secure the Precision Torch is to slide it from the bottom, then guide it down into position. This helps it sit correctly in the caddy and keeps it locked safely in place. As you can see, pulling the torch out from the middle can be difficult and may risk snapping the holder. Instead, guide the torch back up towards the top and it will slide out easily. With the Pro Torch, you will need to clip it in from the bottom part of the torch by slightly turning one side in and clipping it in. There's no force needed, simply slide it down and it will hold securely in place. Again, avoid pulling the torch out from the middle part of the handle as this requires force and may damage the holder. To remove it, simply guide the torch back up towards the top. Give it a small twist and it will pop straight out. The Power Torch space is intentionally designed to be a snug fit to ensure that it is sitting in the correct position while you're out on the field. To insert it properly, keep the bottom of the handle facing you. Slide it down, then gently turn the torch so it sits parallel against the caddy. This will hold it securely in place. Avoid pulling it out from the middle of the handle as this will require force and will damage the holding structure. To remove it, simply turn it back and slide it up. Make sure you save the video. You can come back to it as a quick reference if you need to just double check that your torches are sitting correctly in the caddy. If you do have any questions or comments, feel free to drop them below and we'll be more than happy to help.